Viewing Windows logs. In this video, we'll be doing a brief overview and discussion on viewing Windows logs. When you expand the Windows logs folder, you see the following logs. Application contains information about specific programs running on the computer as determined by the application developer. Security contains information about security-related events such as failed logons, attempts to access protected resources, and success or failure of audited events. The events recorded in this log are determined by audit policies, which you can enable using either local computer policies or group policies. Setup contains information about the operating system installation and setup history. System contains information about events generated by the operating system, such as services and device drivers. For example, a failure of a service to start or a driver to load during system startup is recorded in the system log. Forwarded events contains events received from other computers on the network via subscriptions. Take note, the system log is the primary Windows operational log. You should always view this log first when looking for general information about system problems. Selecting one of the logs causes a list of events it contains to appear in the details pane in reverse chronological order as shown. The Windows event logs contain different types of events, which are identified by icons. The four event types are as follows. Information: an event that describes a change in the state of a component or process as part of a normal operation. Error: an event that warns of a problem that is not likely to affect the performance of the component or process where the problem occurred, but that could affect the performance of other components or processes on the system. Warning: an event that warns of a service degradation or an occurrence that can potentially cause a service degradation in the near future, unless you take steps to prevent it. Critical: an event that warns that an incident resulting in a catastrophic loss of functionality or data in a component or process has occurred. When you select one of the events in the list of events, its properties appear in the preview pane at the bottom of the list. You can also double-click an event to display a separate event properties dialog box. That completes this brief overview and demonstration on viewing Windows logs.